Welcome back, students of class 6. Now we will learn chapter number 2, page 27. Topic is working with the windows. We interact with our computer mostly with the help of a mouse और a keyboard. Means हम कंप्यूटर में माउस और कीबोर्ड की हेल्प से कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं. And previously I told you they both are input devices. Now we will learn how to operate the mouse. So now next topic is using the mouse. So first of all I will tell you what is mouse. So all of you know the mouse is the most important input device used with computer. It is used to interact with the computer in Windows environment. Means mouse की help से आप कंप्यूटर में communicate करते हो. A mouse usually has 3 buttons: the right button, the left button and a wheel. We can perform the following function with a mouse. Number 1 is pointing. What is pointing? Touching an object with a pointer is called pointing. Now what is pointer? When you move the mouse on a flat surface, an arrowhead appears on the screen. This arrowhead is called a pointer. Now what is clicking? Pressing the left hand button and releasing it, called a click. Now what is double clicking? Pressing the left hand button twice is called double clicking. Now turn the page. Right clicking. Clicking the right hand button once and releasing it, called right clicking. With the help of right clicking, we open a menu. What is dragging? Clicking and holding down the left hand mouse button and moving the mouse in some direction is called dragging. Students, I will attach you video. With the help of this video, you can easily understand the function of a mouse. Let's start to learn.
Children, you already know about the computer mouse. Do you remember? It is a pointing device with a tail. Do you remember that a mouse normally has 2 buttons on it? Let us now learn more about the mouse. Mouse is an input device. It helps us to point at any item on the screen and also to draw pictures. Mouse pointer. Mouse pointer is displayed on the screen as a slanting arrow. It is different than the text cursor. As you move the mouse in a particular direction, the mouse pointer moves on the screen in the same direction. You can move the mouse to a desired location on the screen. Earlier, the computer mouse had a roller ball at the bottom for movement. Nowadays, a mouse does not have any ball at the bottom. It uses infrared light instead of a ball for movement. This device is called an optical mouse. Mouse pad. The pad on which we put the mouse and move it is known as mouse pad. How to hold a mouse? Place your palm on the mouse. Hold it with your thumb and 2 fingers. A scrolling wheel is usually there in between the left and right mouse buttons. Such a mouse is a scroll mouse. The wheel helps you to scroll a page up and down. Place your index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button. Now, move the mouse on the mouse pad and look at the movement of the pointer on the screen. It moves in the direction in which you move the mouse. Scrolling means moving up and down. Mouse action. There are 5 mouse actions: left click, double click, right click, drag and drop, and scrolling. Left click or click. Gently press the left mouse button once and release it. The mouse makes a click sound. This is known as clicking. A single left click, simply called click, is generally used to select an item on the screen. Left click is also used to position the text cursor somewhere between the text to make a correction. Double click. Gently press the left mouse button twice at a short interval and release it. It is called double click. Double click is generally used to open a window or a program. Double click opens a selected item. We first point to an item by moving the mouse over it and then double click over there. Right click. Press and release the right mouse button. This is called right click. Right clicking shows a list of commands or a pop-up menu on the monitor. Drag and drop. Drag and drop is used to move or copy an item from one place to another on the screen using the mouse. Move the pointer over an item on the screen. Press the left button and hold. Holding this button, move or drag the pointer to the place where you want to place the item. Release the button. Observe, the item appears on the new place. If you repeat the same while pressing the control key, a copy of the item will be created.